Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you're new here, then of course, welcome to my channel. And well, we're doing a blue eye inspired makeup look. Now, as you all know, or you may not know, but now you will, I guess the trend going on within the makeup beauty world amongst the YouTubers are creating blue eye makeup. So, and I could be wrong, but I think it started because of the KKW Beauty, the new palette that came out, right? So I put like a picture up here or up here, wherever, and I'll show you. I think it's because of that everyone's creating this blue eye makeup look, but don't quote me on that. I could be wrong. But, you know, I figured I'd jump on the train and join the bandwagon. So here's my creation of the blue eye makeup look. And, yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, without further ado, let's start the video. First, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz and basically fill in my brows. And then to soften up the look a little bit and make the, you know, the parts that I filled in look less harsh, just take your spoolie and brush them out. And then taking my Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel, I'm going to just brush out my hair. Oh, and by the way, yes, I see a breakout right there. It's obvious. I know. It happens. I get like one breakout, maybe two, once every like blue moon. So, yeah, hopefully it goes away real soon. I mean, I've been kind of like messing with it, so it's probably irritated. Which, by the way, you should not mess with your, you know, breakouts and whatever, but, you know, whatever. Now jumping right into the eyes, I'm going to use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and prime the lids. Oh, and speaking of my brows, I just want to mention, one of my subscribers were asking me about the Anastasia Brow Gel and if it affects, how do I put this into words? When you put it on, does your hair, if you have bangs, kind of like stick to it? Something like that. And the answer to that is, I believe, no. I mean, I don't have bangs, but when you put the brow gel on, it doesn't make your, backtracking, it does make your brows feel like it's like, I don't want to use the word crunchy, but like, I mean, it does, you can tell you have product on your brow, if you know what I mean, you know? But, I mean, for me, it keeps my brow hairs in place, it keeps them tamed, and that's exactly what I want. So, you know, it's like hairspray for your brows, in, like, layman's term, you know what I mean? So, does your bangs or your hair stick to your brow gel? I would say no. I would say no. Do I recommend it? Definitely yes. I mean, for me, I love it. Brow gels are, like, my must. I mean, I use brow gel. I use the Cella Clear Brow Gel. I use the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. I mean, brow gels are, or even like pomades or wax, brow wax. Any of those things are perfect. Okay, now, primer's done. And by the way, I have to leave within like 30 minutes. I gotta quickly do this. And all the eyeshadow palettes that I use will be listed down below because I'm, you know, diving into multiple palettes. Alright, first I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette and diving into the color Pregame. It's just a nice color to, you know, sweep all over the lid. Give it a nice base. Before we continue, let's go ahead and moisturize the lips. And for that, I'm using the Smith Minted Rose Lip Balm. Now, taking the color Caramel from the Dominique Cosmetic Latte palette, we're going to place that on the sockets of our eyes. Sweeping it back and forth. Oh, and did I mention I recently just cleaned my brushes, so they are looking fantastically clean as anything, and I am loving them. I mean, yeah, clean brushes, oh, a must. Feels so nice. Alright, so my brushes are clean. Feeling so proud of myself. Okay, now taking my clean brush, I'm dipping into the color Mocha. You know what? Yeah, Mocha. Same palette, the Latte palette. And placing that on the outer third of my eye. Alright, now we're diving into the blue, the main star of the event. Picking up my CC Beauty Professional Cosmetic Colors in the shade Bright Blue. Obviously, that blue color right there, you see. I'm gonna dab my finger into that palette, and using my finger, we're going to place the blue eyeshadow pretty much on the inner 2/3 of my eye. And don't worry about being so neat about it. It's just, this will act as a base. That way when I apply the eyeshadow of my choice, it can pop up and show nicely. Look how pigmented this creamy CC Beauty product is. The eyes have the beautiful blue base, and now it's ready for the nice, beautiful, wonderful blue shadow color that I'm waiting for. And it is the none other than Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The name of it is, I can't remember, don't know where the name card is. It's somewhere in my room, I don't know. But it is this gorgeous color right here. Of course, picking up that color on a nice, clean, flat brush. We're going to just basically tap that on all over the lid. Right where you put on the blue cream base. Look how bright and vibrant this blue looks. I mean, can you not? Seriously? I'm honestly living for this color. I think it looks so good. So I kind of feel like the caramel color earlier was kind of faded out, but I want to pick up some pumpkin spice and place that right above and on top of the caramel and the blue Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow. And then going back in and messing around with the blue color, I'm going to pick up this Vega color from the Moondust Urban Decay palette, which is that blue right there. Yes, it's upside down. I realize that. And we're going to use our finger and just kind of tap that right on top of the blue. Ooh, the difference it makes. I swear you can't go wrong with shimmer. And yes, there's fallouts, but we'll clean that up later. Now, because the blue is so intense, I feel like the outer corner needs to be a lot darker. So, let's go ahead and do that. We're going to mix in that color and that color. Place that on the outer 2/3. I kind of feel like this look needs a little bit of pop of gold. So, take any gold shimmer eyeshadow palette or eyeshadow color and just pop that right where the blue and the dark shadow on the end meets. And then to bring out the inner tear duct, inner corner of my eye, I'm going to pick up some macchiato and just place that on the inner part of my eye. I went ahead and pretty much finished up my face, and now I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes by taking my NYX eyeliner and doing my eyeliner. Okay, you guys, this is pretty much it for my blue makeup inspired look. If I look a little bit different, it's because I went out and, you know, hung out with some friends. It was their birthday, so, and now I'm back recording the ending, and I'm going to record the beginning. But yeah, so, I mean, I guess you can say the makeup held up pretty well. So this is the end of the look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this blue makeup eye look, and I know I did. I think it looked really pretty. I got tons of compliment when I had this on, and yeah, so that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you like makeup looks like this, where I do different creations and stuff like that, go ahead and click the like button down below. And if you're not already a Kwak fam, click the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell. That way, when I post videos up, you're notified. A lot of the times, there's so many people on YouTube creating beautiful content that sometimes the videos you want to watch might not show up on your feed. That's what the notification bell is for. So tap on the bell, that way you're notified and you become part of the Kwak fam. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!